Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show how to host a static website in Amazon S3 bucket. I have prepared some files that is a very simple website that is written in HTML, and I have used even for the other videos. This is a static website, so there is nothing about PHP or other kind of websites that might need different kind of configurations, but we're going to use a simple HTML website that we're going to host in our S3 bucket. I have opened here tutorials from the Amazon that shows step by step how to do the configuration of your bucket so you can host your website. I'm going to use very basic configuration. If you want to do more advanced configuration, or if you want to do more professional website, you can follow even longer and more steps. I'm going to try to use as less resources from Amazon, so it's try to be a free host of your website. So I go to the Amazon S3 bucket. There is an option here to create a bucket, and we click. We choose Oregon for a general purpose. We give a name to the bucket. So let's go resume AWS. And we leave a public access. Since it's a website, we make our bucket to be accessed publicly. But of course, we have even more other configuration to make possible our sites to be accessed from outside, but that's the first configuration. So we don't block the public access, and here it's going to give some warnings that your bucket is going to be public, and the last we leave default, and we just create it. Now our bucket is created, and we can open the bucket and we upload the files that I have already created for my example. They are uploaded, and I just upload them in my bucket. Still, my bucket is not accessed publicly. I have to do more configuration. And here my files are uploaded. My bucket is created. Now we go to the properties. In the properties, there is an option that allows you to enable this bucket for static website hosting. So we go and we enable, and then we write the default page or the home page, which is the index HTML. If you have another page or file, you can specify here. Since I don't have, I'm going to write only the index file and save the changes. After you have done all these configurations, at the end, it's going to generate an URL or an endpoint that's going to allow you to access your bucket. We are not ready yet. We still have to do some more configurations to be allowed to access our website. After we have enabled the hosting of our website, we have to go to the permissions. We see that the public access is already allowed, but there is a public policy that needs to be configured. And here in the documentations, it gives you the example how to create a policy that's going to make your bucket readable and accessible by the user. So you have to copy this and Let's go here. We added policy, and we always make sure that we don't have space at the beginning or something wrong when we copy paste our code. And here in the resources, in the bucket name, we have to write the name of our bucket. We copy, and here we paste to the bucket name. And we save the changes. Now the bucket policy is added successfully. We can upload, and we see that our website is already published in our screen. And here are very few steps how you can access your website to your bucket. You can share this link, and your friends, or you can share in your documentation. Your resume can be accessible. Also, what I wanted to mention is that still your website doesn't run in HTTPS, so it is not a secure website, and also doesn't have a domain name, which are further steps if you want to build a more professional, or if you want to follow all the steps how the real website are deployed. But this is a very simple step that you can deploy your an example how you can deploy your website through the bucket, and is free. This is another way how uh, you can deploy static website. I have shown even another video how to do the deployment of your HTML uh, website in AC2, but the bucket is another version and another way how you can deploy static website.